Good day! I am Meangel Quillao, a third-year education student at Negros Oriental State University, and I am here to share with you my learnings about summative assessment. So what is summative assessment? Summative assessment is used primarily to document student performance. So teachers assess or evaluate their students through summative assessment in order to get data or information that can be used in recording and grading students' performance and achievements. It is also known as assessment of learning that usually occurs at the end of a particular unit, semester, or period. Summative assessment is also used to measure whether the learners have met the content and performance standards. So now, let us proceed to the purpose of summative assessment. So number 1, to monitor and record student proficiency. Through summative assessment, teachers can identify and be updated on the current standing and achievements of the students individually. Number 2, to give students grades. Through summative assessment, teachers can provide grades to their students in order for them to be updated on their current standing. 3, to report to parents. Summative assessment enables teachers to provide grades on the report cards of their students. These report cards can also be given to the parents in order for them to be updated on the performance of their children. 4, for selection into special programs. Through summative assessment, teachers can identify the performances of their students in terms of academic or extracurricular skills and use this as a basis for qualifying them to special programs like SPA or special programs in the art. 5, for conferring of honors. The results of summative assessment will help teachers to rank students basing on their academic performances. After ranking, teachers will now be able to give honors to their students. 6, for establishing a record of performance. Through the data gathered by the summative assessments, teachers will have a tangible evidences of the performances of the student. 7, for accountability. Teachers are accountable and responsible in providing evidences of students' learnings, and summative assessment helps them to attain this responsibility. And last but not the least, number 8, for college admissions. So most of the college admission tests, like entrance exam or course exam, are some of the samples of summative assessment. So those are the purposes of summative assessment. Now, let us proceed to the examples of summative assessment. So actually, there are many examples of summative assessment. But in this video, I will just give 2 examples. So the first example is the semester test. So semester test is given by the teacher at the end of a semester, like midterm examination or final examination. So it is a summative assessment because it measures how much students have learned basing on the learning standards. It can be administered through paper or pencil tests or through online like Google Forms. The next example is a final paper. So final paper is any paper or any academic text that is required by the teachers to the students at the end of a particular unit or semester. It may include article critique, reflection papers, reaction papers, essays, or any other academic text. It is considered as a summative assessment because it is given at the end of a particular unit, and the teachers will grade this academic text or writings, and they will base, or this is one of the bases for grading the students. So that would be all for my learnings about summative assessment. Hope you learned something, and thank you for watching.